Hey Jack, how you doing?
Feeling good, just passed my test.
You certainly have, mate. You certainly have. So
Mm.
you followed your brother's footsteps from about 3 years ago. Michael came here.
Yes, he did, and successfully passed first time too. So, yeah, it was good.
Good on you. I like these students that come from Melrose Park and beyond.
Yeah, enjoyed the experience with Carmen. He's a very good instructor.
Well, you remember when you were a little fella?
Yeah, I do.
4 years
I
ago,
know.
whatever?
Yeah, I know, with my brother. I know.
Now it's your turn to pass, hey?
Yes.
Would you like to give the students some feedback as to what you undertook through the lesson training and what
So, throughout the lessons, Carmen taught you all the maneuvers, all the road laws. He gave you notes before the tests and before the lessons for you to study. So then you can apply it into the lesson. It helped a lot when going for the VORT test.
Mm. And what about yourself as a driver? Did you notice the difference from lesson
Yes.
one
Oh, definitely.
to lesson 5?
You do. You become a much better driver, especially when you get a few nerves at the start. And then, to now coming here and completing my VORT test. So, I'm very
great.
happy.
Oh, that's great, mate.
Thank
Well,
you.
good on you, and well done,
Thank
and all the best in your accounting career as you move forward with your
Cheers.
education.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much, Carmen.
So that's it from your family?
Yes, that is it for my family. So
2 out of 2.
2 out of 2. Beautiful.
Good on you, mate.
Thank you.
See you, Jack.
See you, mate.